Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another review video. Now by seeing the title you already know, and that's why you are here, that today we are going to talk about Nykaa lashes. Now they are recently really trending on Nykaa. All I can see is Nykaa lashes and all of that. So I was like, let's go ahead and buy something and try out with you guys. So today we are going to try out for the first time Nykaa lashes. So this is how the lashes looks like. Firstly, I have to say when the lashes was arrived, I wasn't really happy with the fact, because when it actually arrived, it literally looked like this. And as you guys can see, it just seems like used or something. I don't know what it is, but it is not actually sticking with the half circle, which actually, something I didn't like. Now for any product, if a packaging is malfunctioned, it just loses the attention of the consumer. And at the end of the day, of course, I am a consumer, so I will look into the packaging, and the packaging is not something that I am a fan of, I have to say. Now when you open the packet, you see there is a basic plastic packaging where you can see that the lashes are here, but I have already removed the glue because this glue is of no use. So दिखाने का भी कोई ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं होता है, to be very honest, if you ask me, because I just found it really redundant to show you the glue, because the glue is of no use basically. I wasn't really happy, so I approached Nykaa to make a return for me. Basically Nykaa returns never works for me. I have tried for like couple of times during my MAC return, during my Huda Beauty return, and I just lost hope from Nykaa. They will never make a return for me, so I have to work with these. Now the lashes looks really I really don't know. I have a mixed feeling about this. Now if you guys can see closely, you will see that the lashes are quite different. I don't know if I have only the feel like this is quite thicker, the wand of this product. Please focus. Now the lashes of this lash is quite thicker than this one, if you guys can notice. I haven't tried it either, so this is gonna be my first time when I will be trying it with you guys. Now let me just say some basic things about this product. It retails for 199 rupees. It has different type of variants, of course, but I am in the variant Real Deal today, so we are gonna try out this Real Deal. Now this is made in India, this is cruelty free, this is dermatologically tested, vegetarian product 100%, and vegan product. So if you are on the vegan path, definitely you will be purchasing this one, because this is vegan, of course. I'm not gonna use the lash glue as I have mentioned, because I have already thrown it away, and I'm not the biggest fan of lashes glue that comes with the lash. So I'm gonna use my usual. Like we all have a different type of usual. Now this one is my usual. Ever since I have purchased it and ever since I have tried it, I don't go back to any other lash glue. I'm talking about, this is Miss Claire lash glue. As you guys can see, the packaging is totally ruined because I use this every single day. So I'm gonna use this for my lashes today. Now as you guys can see, this lash is not curved, so I have to take some time to curve this particular one. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna apply the lash glue and I'm gonna wait for a couple of seconds before applying it on my lashes, like usual day, what I do usually. Now I always cut my lashes, but this time I found that the lashes are quite short than usual, so that's why if I cut this and if I apply it on my lashes, it will look little bit odd. That's why I'm not cutting this out, I'm just applying it as it is, because it's, as I have mentioned, a little bit short, and I have waited for a couple of seconds. Now I'm gonna apply it and let's see how it works. First of all, I have a confusion that I'm not understanding which lash is for which eyes. Generally you can understand by seeing lashes that if it is for right lashes or if it is for left lashes, but this time I am having a little bit of confusion, but still I think it's for left lashes. Let's apply it. Now guys, I have to say that the band of these lashes are really thin, so it's not stucking properly with the eyelids, like where we have to stick our lashes. So what I have done, I have stick my lashes with the my actual lashes, which is not right. It will create issue with your original lashes. You can damage your eyelashes. I'm not happy about it, to be very honest, because it's not stucking with eyelids, because the band is really thin. Now I know you will say that thin band is good. Of course, I use a lot of lashes, okay, which has thin band. For example, recently I have shown you in my video that I have purchased the Make Create lashes from Amazon, and trust me, they are so thin. But even they are thin, they can easily stick with your eyelids, which is the actual thing that you have to keep in mind. So I'm not really happy with it. I am okay, I mean it's good one, but it retails for 199 rupees, okay, I'm not even kidding you. It retails for 199 rupees, and I was like, what the hell? Because Swiss Beauty lashes even retails for 99 rupees, and they are very good. Trust me guys, if you haven't watched my Swiss Beauty one brand tutorial, you have to go and you have to watch that video. I have shown you the lashes of Swiss Beauty in that particular video, and they just works beautifully. I mean, they just glides on the eyelids, sticks very beautifully, so seamlessly. So even after paying this much, you are not getting a lot. Not the biggest fan of the lashes. I think even pack lashes costs way too much than this. I know you will say that thing too, but I mean, I don't know, I have a mixed feeling of this. And I am stucking my lashes with my original eyelashes, which is worst. You should not be doing that. If you have ever done, don't do guys. Just throw out the lashes, because your original lashes are much more important than your money, to be very honest, because they will not regrow, okay, as simple as that. So if you end up pulling them, if you, oh my god, it just sucks because I'm sticking my lashes with my original lashes. So I have a lot of coconut oil and makeup remover, so I just rub my eyelashes with coconut oil, specifically extra virgin coconut oil, okay. So that's how I remove. But I know most of the people removes like this, right? This, they don't even apply any type of makeup remover or coconut oil or olive oil on their eyelashes, because they think that it will damage their lashes, but it does not. But still, we cannot take risk with our lashes and eyebrows specifically. So eyebrows still regrow, but eyelashes are not gonna regrow. So obviously eye के साथ कुछ भी छेड़खानी हम नहीं कर सकते. But the fact is, I do that, so that's why it's not a very big deal for me, but it can be a massive deal for you guys, because you have to stuck your lashes with your original lashes, which is the last thing that I suggest or you should do. So as you guys can see, obviously it won't look like my original lashes, but still you know what I'm trying to say, right? It just gives you a very fake look. All in all, I would say that it's not my cup of tea or my cup of coffee. It might be your holy grail, because of course Nykaa lashes have launched a while ago, like a long ago. So of course many of you have tried this. I am trying this for like after 2 or 3 years. I don't even know when it actually launched, but I am sure that it launched around 2 or 2.5 years ago. Obviously whoever is watching, I know some of you have already tried this and some of you are liking this lashes so far, but for me it's not gonna work, because the band is really not working for me. I just found that some of the lashes are very thick, some of the lashes are very thin, very uneven, and this is something very wasteful for a lash. And I found their packaging is not that up to mark, because I found some cheaper lashes which works nicely, but this one is not something that I would literally ever suggest you to go for it, guys. I will suggest you to go for Swiss Beauty or any Amazon lashes. I really like Amazon lashes. I have told you to purchase Amazon lashes every single time because I cannot stop recommending you those lashes because they just works beautifully and they are affordable at the end of the day. What do you want? The 200 rupees you will get 3 or 4 pair of lashes from Amazon, and you don't have to spend this much money for a lash and just for the brand. Some of the products are really good, like their lipstick, like their blushes, like their highlighter, liquid highlighter, their foundation. All of the products are really my favorite. I use them like no one's business. Even I have used Nykaa highlighter today. So I love their products. But as for lashes, I didn't really like, because first of all, the packaging didn't attract me. Pricing is not right, to be very honest. 199 rupees for a lash is much more for an Indian brand, I feel. And one more important thing that I want to mention, that the lashes are little bit shorter than the usual lashes that you get on market. Like if you ask me about pack lashes, Swiss Beauty lashes, or any other lashes, I would say that the length of those lashes are little bit lengthy than this one. I always need to cut my lashes no matter what, but this time I didn't need to cut my lashes, and I just felt like it's just not matching with my eye shape because it's slightly smaller. So yeah, this is it. I think I have pointed out every single thing about the lashes. I don't think I'm gonna try out the other variants from these lashes because I'm not really happy. And if these lashes are your holy grail, I do respect that everything cannot be liked by everyone. So yeah, that's it for this review. It's time to sign off, and if you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. Aware them about the lashes, and I genuinely hope if they can change these lashes a little bit, then it would be very beneficial for the consumers like us who didn't like these lashes. If you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. And if you want me to do any other lashes review, do let me know in the comment section, because earlier I have done Huda Beauty and pack lashes review, but if you ask me to do any other reviews, I would love to do that for you guys. You know that, right? So yeah, bye.